Hello, welcome. This video will show you how to install the residential energy storage system. Before the installation, please make sure to read the installation manual thoroughly. Prepare the tools for installation. Please note that the tools and cables necessary for the installation are not provided by the manufacturer. Wear the safety gears listed in the installation manual at all times and refer to the manual for the clearance and installation location. In the box, you'll find a battery pack, a top plate, an installation manual, a drill template, mounting brackets, stand holders, wall holders, cable connectors, screws, expansion screws, and screw anchors. Power cable and internet cable are optionally obtainable and are not included in the package. Open the package carefully. Remove the cushion foam. Pull out the battery pack and stand it upright. Check whether the battery pack has any damage. Loosen the 8 screws on 2 sides of the pack. Remove the cover of the battery pack by pulling it out horizontally. For floor mounting, install the stand holder. Noted that the left and right holder are different, install accordingly. Place the drill template on the floor where you wish to install the battery. The printed side should be facing the installer. After making sure that the drill template does not move, use a pencil to mark the holes at the A, B, C, and D points. Remove the drill template. Drill 4 holes into the wall for M6 screw anchors with diameter of 8 mm and depth of at least 65 mm each. Align the 4 stand holders on the pack to the expansion screws and secure them in place. To stack additional packs, use a pencil to trace the top of the initial module on the wall. This is the height where the second pack should be. Cut off the bottom part of the drill template. We don't need this for mounting additional modules. Align the drill template according to the pencil mark. Drill holes at A, B, C, and D points and install the expansion screws. Place the second pack on top of the initial pack and secure the stand holders to the expansion screws. To install the battery on the wall, take out the wall holders from the package. Note that the left and right holders are different, and the side with a crevice is always facing down. Install the wall holders to the battery pack. Using the drill template, specify where you wish to mount the battery. Use the level to make sure that the drill template is horizontal. After making sure that the drill template will not move, use a pencil to mark the holes from number 1 to number 10 points. Remove the drill template. Drill 10 holes into the wall for M6 screw anchors with diameter of 8 mm and depth of at least 65 mm each. Place the wall brackets with its flat side towards the wall. Secure the wall brackets on the wall. When the wall brackets and wall holders are properly secured, lift up the battery pack and secure it on the wall by hooking the wall holders on the wall brackets. For the module that connects to the inverter, turn on the number 4 switch to set it as the master module, sequence number 1. For the expansion modules, please set them up with different numbers and do not repeat. Remove the data cable metal cover from the pack and take off the gland from the cover. Choose a data cable with appropriate diameter and length and get the cover and silica sleeve through the data cable. Fasten the gland through the cable. Insert the cable back into the hole on the metal cover and tighten the gland on the cover. Plug the RJ45 connector to the inverter port. When you have expansion packs, connect the Internet cable between the packs. Close the cover by tightening the 4 screws at the corners. Prepare a power cable with appropriate diameter and length and strip the ends. Clamp the power cable into waterproof cable connector and tighten the connector with the rubber sleeves and gland. Now connect the power cable to the right pole. Keep attention not to confuse the polarity. Orange one is plus and black one is minus. Remove the rubber cover on the pole. Use a multimeter, DC mode, to make sure that there is no voltage at the pole before connecting. When you only have one module, we suggest you connect the first orange pole and the first black pole. Leave the rubber cover of the used pole attached. Organize the cable. Put back the main body cover and tighten the 8 screws on both sides. Close the top plate and tighten the 4 screws at the corners. Now you have finished the installation.